Welcome ji. Let's start. So today we are going to discuss very frequently used functional interface in Stream API known as a function. So function is a functional interface that will accepting one input argument and returning one output argument. The T is the input argument, R represents the return types. Okay, so let us look what are the use case of this function as a functional interface. This is really used many times in Stream API. So where you use function as a functional interface, whenever you have a one input object, maybe input value, and you want to convert or returns or transfer to another object. Okay, let's say I pass one input argument as an integer, I want to double, so you can use this functional interface function, or you can pass one integer value and want to double. Yeah, so the meaning of function interface are just used to transform or change or convert your input A type argument to R type argument. Maybe you can take input integer and return integer. Maybe you can take string input and return double, whatever our requirement. So whenever you have a one stream of number, I want to convert, make some transformation from input number and do some operation and return something. At that place you can use function interface. So let us look the example. Excuse me. So let us, we have a list of number, okay. Now we have a list of numbers. So list of not string dot for each. So for each are just displaying all your number. Okay, so we have a list of number and we are streaming one by one and just printing all the number. We are not doing any kind of transformation, any kind of performance. Let us, we know that this is the list of integer number. Just I want to convert all the integer number to the double. So generally they say dot map and just say कि whatever the input number, okay, I want to convert to the double. So double dot value of your D n. So here you are taking input integer and returning corresponding double value. If you read, so here take one input type T argument and returning R types, maybe your, so now you are getting all the double value, right? So this is question where we are using functional interface. So the question here, the map interface are expecting you are passing, this is the map interface, are expecting you are passing java.util.function functional interface. Okay, that will take T type of argument and returning R types of value. So whenever you are using the map function are expecting you are passing the object of your interface name as a functional interface. Okay, even you can write this using the dot map double, maybe integer dot double value. In this way, integer class provides one method that take input and return double value you can also get. So here also you are using the functional interface function, right? So if you look the inputs of your map method, this will expecting you are passing one function mapper object. What is a function? Function is a interface. This interface have defined one method that is apply that take one input types argument and returns are types of value. So, so question is, this is the interface. So interface, any method expecting some interface object, then we have to pass that interface object or so here multiple options. You can pass functional interface object in a multiple different way. Maybe this is this way or different way. So let us assume uh, uh, fun function. Take your integer. Let's function object equal to new. Okay. Okay. So here, if any methods are expecting, these methods are expecting you can pass a function object, so you can create the object of function and then you pass, but this is the interface, so you cannot create the object. If any methods are expecting you pass interface type, then you cannot create the any interface object, so how you can pass? So the simplest way, you can just create the implementation. Reason is that this function interface have one abstract method apply who will give in the definition. Due to that, any interface that have a contain any abstract method, you cannot create object. You have to first give the definition of that method. So how to give the definition? Somehow let's class my function implement functional interface, take integer and let's return double and you have to give the definition. Okay, take integer argument and return the double dot value of your integer. So in this place you can use your class name. Now this is the way. If this is your function types object, then you can pass your implementation class. Now in the same place, now here you can say function object. It will also works. So the map function are expecting you are passing any function type mapper. Okay, so here we are pass function type mapper. So function type mapper you can create using any named class implementation. This is named class, or even you can pass let's one even you can pass without name. Let's I don't want to write this named class. Without named class, I can create the function any interface object. Yes, using the anonymous class. What is the anonymous class? A class that not have a name. So if you just remove this name, so this is your logic. You can place this logics here itself. Here itself. Now just break the here. Now this is the one-way implementation. It's let's see. I want to change. It works. So this the second way. First way you can give the complete implementation class. Second way you can give the anonymous class. Maybe, and even you can let's the two here even what do you think? What is the necessary part? This functional interface already define this is the apply methods. So only necessary part is your input and your output. So even we can create functional interface object using the actual needed. This is the part only needed. So you can just place here this, and between your input parameter and definition of method you can just place your curly braces. Now in this way you can also pass any method that expect your functional types using the lambda expression. So this is the lambda expression you can pass, it works. Even lambda expression have some special benefit. You can also change the if your lambda expression definition having only one line, so even you don't need your curly braces. You can write simple way. If this is only one line, even you don't need a returns. Just remove it. Look, this data type already defined this function take input type here. Even you can remove the data types. No, this is the only one argument, so even you can return your parenthesis. Okay, so now you are defining a map function are expecting in a function types mapper, and you can just say this is the one input and this is the return one output, and you can run it. So this is the one simplest way to pass function types object that map methods are expecting. Even you can say stream API say even you don't need to create these types. You can just give the complete definition. This is your definition code, this is your input types, and this is your function body. Just place itself here. Even you don't need to create manual types. So this is the way to write your code. So here you are passing a one object, one mapper that define the single abstract method. This is a single abstract method definition. Single abstract method definition you are defining here. This function interface are defining one method apply, that is abstract method, take input types t and returns r. Same definition we are given. This is the method that will take input and returns output. The same the point we are written here. Here we are passing the functional interface and define one single abstract method. That is the definition of single abstract method that will take input and return output. Right? So this is the way. Any functional interface, any methods are expecting you pass the functional interface object. That means they have only one single abstract method that will take some input and some return output. That definition you can pass itself inside the method argument. So our Java method will take input as an object or take complete method signature a definition in the form of lambda expression. So this map just say कि I need any function types object, a function types object. So that is not the meaning कि always you have to pass like this any object that is a function type. This say कि we have accept any code, any method definition that have the same signature, one input and one output. No any meaning of always need a function. Even you can write let's we have write my own method static let's one method that return a string and just convert let's this will take over your let's int value is a number and just return a string dot value of your number. Or even you can say right. So here in this map function even you can pass any method that will take one input and return output. Here we can pass your my convert function. So convert function is defined in this class. So like this way. So map function expecting you are giving the definition of single abstract method that will take one input argument and returns one output arguments. Okay, so here I can pass my method convert that will take one input and return one output. It will works. So lambda expression or any functional interface offer very flexible way. This is your string implementation. Or you can for string let's key I want to append str value. You can say just run it. It will change your input integer to a string object. Here str value. So this the same we have written here initially. This is like here we cannot say कि always need a functional interface keyword. Functional interface just one indication you can pass any method definition, method name. This is apply method name doesn't any matter. Even this function interface name doesn't any matter. There is no major role play this interface name function and this interface name apply. Okay, here we are not using the keyword. In last example we are not using anywhere functional interface name function, even we are not using apply. We have a convert method and this is the class. So any class, that means you have pass here any methods that will just follow the signature take one types and return one types. So here my method take one integer value and return a string value. So this is the kind of simplest way. So in map method you can pass the implementation of single abstract method. Single abstract method say we need a one input argument and return one output. Even if I write the complete code using the lambda expression, or you don't want to lambda expression, so any class just follow the signature method class name nothing, only input types match and your output type match. If your method have a take input and return output, this method you can pass here using your method reference. So there are two ways to pass any functional interface that have a single abstract method. The single abstract method definition you can pass using the lambda expression, or you can pass using the method reference. Method reference help us. You have any existing method that follow the same signature, you can use those method name. Okay, so now you here this method you can multiple this uh, let's here dot map. Let's give whatever input come, just I want to multiply by 2. Okay, so any number of what your list of 1 2 3, you are first going to the double and then we are going to the converting to the string. It works. So maybe you can pass this map interface are expecting you can give me the definition of single object method. Single object method we are giving definition inside itself method, like this is the input argument and this is your output argument inside using the lambda expression. Or if you have any methods that follow the same sequence input types and output, you can use those method name. So using the method reference and lambda expression, any function, any method that expect input type as a functional types that have single abstract method, single abstract method definition you can pass with the lambda expression or method reference. That is the very simplest way. So hope this information will helpful to you to get your better understanding. If you want to get the exact understanding, this is my humble request. You just write your own code, write one stream, write map method, and try to check the what map methods in expecting input. Map methods, map methods are expecting input types are your functional interface types. So functional interface types you can pass maybe using your named class. You can write one implementation class, or even you can pass as a anonymous class. So in this named class, you give the single object method definition. In anonymous class, you are giving the single object method definition. Or single object method definition directly you can pass in the lambda expression inside your method bar, method parameter itself. Or in any class have a same signature method, any method follow the same signature single object method, even don't need your functional interface, don't need your functional apply method, just parameter, just signature needed. In any class have any method that follow the take one input and return one output, those code directly you can pass here using the method references. So Java using the functional interface concept, they have only single abstract method definition. You can pass here multiple way. Maybe you can pass named class object, anonymous class object, or single abstract method definition using lambda expression, or any methods that follow the same signature what your map methods are expecting directly pass using the method reference. Hope this will help you for you. From this note, I would like to say thank you for watching this video.